if I were to take your lordship to the order of cognizance and issuance of process, I am optimistic that your lordship would in one split second would grant me the relief, but
That's not what is needed.
the smaller relief. I want a bigger relief.
Lordship, in so far as serial number 74 is concerned, last occasion your Lordship has directed to me to remind this honorable court, since the matter has been remanded back from Supreme Court in a POCSO matter,
ಯಾವ್ದದು?
74.
ಮಠದ?
Yes, yes, your Lordship.
I will take it today.
Obliged, obliged.
ನಾಗೇಶ್ ಸರ್ ಇದ್ದಾರಾ?
Idhar.
ಸರ್ 5 o'clock ತಗೊಳ್ಳ? ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ವಾ? Subject to your convenience. No problem, sir. 5 o'clock to 7 o'clock.
Clock ಬದಲು
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ಕಳಿಸಿರೋದು ವಾಪಸ್.
ನಾನು ತಯಾರಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ
ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಒಂದು 3-4 days ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆನೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಡು. Your lordship may kindly give me 1 hour's time.
ಇಲ್ಲ 29th ತಗೊಳ್ಳ? Working Saturday.
Your lordship may recall to your lordship's memory.
Is it not covered by what I have already written?
That is not the issue. Well, probably they have no powers. Other ಮೇಲೆ cognizance. And that is this issue which I am raising before your lordship is also covered by your lordship judgment in the connected matter. In fact, that matter went up to Supreme Court and Supreme Court
Supreme
put
Court
its
has
seal of
confirmed it.
approval for your lordship's judgment or order in the past of the case. 29th.
29th ತಗೊಳ್ಳ ಹೇಗೆ?
As my lord please.
29th ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ಡೇಟ್?
Any day that suits my lord's
ಅಲ್ಲ
convenience.
29th ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ 10:30ಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ.
ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಡು. ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡಿ.
ತಮ್ಗೇನ್ ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ವಾ?
ಖಂಡಿತ ಇಲ್ಲ. I am at your lordship's disposal.
Yes. 29 SPP ಅವರೇ 29th I will take.
Though my Iron Fund has been gracious enough to concede that the order of cognizance is hopelessly bad.
It
Peruse the
is,
record,
ಅದೇನು?
cognizance taken ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟು ಸಾಲದದು. ನನಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ larger relief ಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ
Larger relief also
Maybe
covered by your
ಯಾರಿಗೆ
lordship
sir?
judgment. For the complainant.
Oh,
Larger
sorry.
relief also covered by your lordship judgment.
Correct. It's covered by what I have already written.
ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಕ್ವಾಶ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು.
ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಕೋಶ ಆಗಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ super
ಅಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
superlative degree. Let us see, Malad. Malad, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ tape recorded version is there. And an order came to be passed by this honorable court directing the investigator to produce the tape recorded version before the trial court. It came to be produced before the trial court.
ಆಯ್ತು. 29th will start and finish, madam. 29th top of the list ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿರಿ. ಅದು 29th August.
In the meantime, would your lordship, or I can produce it, Malad, I can certainly do it. ಅಥವಾ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಅವರೇ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ, ನನಗೇನು ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
29th my lord, I'm not interested.
No. ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ಡಿಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು
Sir,
ಅಂತ.
earlier date also I'm
ಸರ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೆ ಹೌ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಗೋ ಅವೇ? ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂತಿಲ್ವಾ?
my lord, I've already.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾನೇ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ಪೆನ್ ಡ್ರೈವ್ನ. ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಕಾಪಿನ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ರಜಾ ಬೇಕಂತೆ.
Any day earlier also I'm.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ
Other day-
24ಕ್ಕೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ.
ಅಲ್ಲ 24ಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ 2-3 ಕೇಸ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದೆ ಅವತ್ತು.
ಯಾವ್ದು? ಅಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ KCA
ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಪೀಡ್ ಅದೇನ್ ಮುಗಿಯಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಪೀಡ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಆಗದ.
Please.
Yes. 24th I'll take this. This is Supreme Court in ಕಳಿಸಿರೋದು. Will finish this.
Please. Interim order.
That will continue. Heard senior counsel ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು.
Sorry for the interruption.
No.